That access issue. If forgive me, I had something distract me here, so I missed the first part of what you were just saying about that. But I've got one that it's like 10 acres, and it's not on a gravel road. There's a gravel road below it, and the neighboring parcel to the south has like a little farm or something there. And the guy that's selling it to me said he had to fight with the neighbor and he wouldn't grant him access to get to his property. And now the speculation is, though, that southern neighbor has passed away. So is that something like on me to figure out, or do I just buy it cheap and say, full disclosure, I don't know if you can access this, or how far down that road do I go for a $2,000 deal?
You know, you can have, both options. Disclose everything if you get it super cheap. Like, look, there's this land is not currently accessible. You're going to have to get access. Here's why you're getting it at this price, because you're going to have to get an attorney to get access to this thing. Or number two, you could send out neighbor letters or skip trace the neighbors and see if they'd be interested in buying it from you before you even pay for it, basically. That might be the easiest thing, to sell it to a neighbor. They're probably already using it. But that's a couple options. Usually the neighbors are kind of interested in that more. Or you can say, number three, hey, I'm working with an attorney currently to get access to your land. I'd rather just save my money. You want to buy it from me?
That's interesting too. Okay.
And what I plan to do with it, I've got a tow truck company, and we've got a junkyard. I got to move a lot of stuff. So that's my plan. But if you want to buy it, I could just save the money rather than having to get access. That might blow up in your face, or it might work. I don't know.
You're like, why are you dragging junk all the way out here in the middle of nowhere? That's what I do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, I mean, really, it sounds like approach the neighbors first versus even try to lawyer up or anything like that. I don't think the exit strategy on it justifies that.
Yeah, I generally try,
even in the best case,
any lawyer, unless I have to. But the neighbor would probably be easier. I got a funny story. I had 2 lots in Pueblo. I ended up trading 1,000 square foot of stamped colored concrete for it. But while I was trying to sell it, somebody came and dumped 2 truckloads of garbage on it. And I actually sold it the first time with the garbage on it. Someone gave me a $500 down payment, and then she defaulted. And then I sold it again, like twice, with garbage on this land. Just crazy.